Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we'll be making a honey mustard chicken with roasted potato wedges and steamed green beans. So, first things first, we've mixed together a little spice rub. We've got some cumin, some paprika, some salt, and some pepper. Pretty basic there. We've got our potatoes cut into wedges, and now what we're going to do is put our potatoes in to our rub, and we're going to kind of toss everything around. We're going to add some oil to make sure everything sticks. But some of the natural moisture on the potatoes, just shaking them around like this, will kind of get a little bit of a coat going. The oil will help them brown too. Now, while we've been getting set up, we have our oven preheating to 375 degrees. We have our baking sheets out and lightly oiled. I'm going to drizzle some oil over the top of these potatoes and give them a little bit more of a shake. All right, so we've got our potatoes coated. Now we're going to spread them out on our sheet. You can see that they're all coated really well, and you just want to give each of them their own little bit of space. And this same rub really works great on any variety of items, from meats to vegetables like this. Gives them a nice little kick. If you like them spicy, you could add a little bit of chili powder or something like that to it if you wanted to. The paprika doesn't really add much heat, even though it may give that appearance. All right, so I've got that down. Let me give my hands a quick rinse. All right, so we're going to pop those in to our 375 degree oven, and I'm going to say about 20 to 30 minutes, give or take, depending on your oven. Everybody's oven's a little bit different, but we want these to get nice and kind of golden brown, so we'll give them some time. All right, now on to our chicken. So what we've done is we have pre-mixed our mustard and our honey to create the honey mustard in a bowl here, and I have a brush ready to brush this onto our pieces of chicken. I'm going to spread them out on your sheet. So we've got our chicken pieces out here, and we're going to brush them with our honey mustard mixture. All right. Okay. So now we're just going to season these with some salt. You can see that I'm seasoning from up on high. That's not to look fancy, but that actually allows the salt crystals to fall more evenly. So that's why when you see chefs doing this, it's not so much for show as it is for an actual purpose. Because if you're down really close, pinching your salt on, or even pouring your salt, what happens is you end up with mounds of salt, and it's not seasoned evenly. So another little chef's tip there. We're going to do fresh cracked black pepper. Okay, now these are ready to go into the oven, and as small as these chicken pieces are, we're only going to give them probably 15 to 20 minutes tops until they reach their internal temperature that they need, which is 165 degrees. If you had bone-in pieces such as thighs or legs or wings or anything like that you wanted to do the same application, just be sure to give it a little bit longer with the bone in. All right, so we're going to pop these into the oven. All right, and we'll be back in just a little bit to show you the finished product. All right, we've checked our chicken. It's where we need it. So we're going to pull it out. potatoes still have a few minutes. And at this point, we're going to take some of our remaining honey mustard and just kind of baste over the top. And allow these to cool. We'll be back in just a few minutes. All right, we're ready to pull our potato wedges out of the oven. And we're going to allow those to cool. And then we'll plate the dish up and show you the finished product here in just a couple of minutes.